and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to edit header and footer on WordPress. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to edit the header and footer in WordPress, you can simply use the full site editor app or website. So to edit the header and footer in WordPress, simply navigate to the appearance section and then tap on editor in your dashboard. Once you have done this, from there you can access the site section to make changes that apply globally, or you can modify specific template parts like header or footer to make changes for particular templates. So simply once you're logged in into your WordPress site, you have done this. For global changes, you can edit the header and footer from the site section in the site editor. Changes made here will affect all pages and template. However, for template specific changes, go to the template section and then manage all the template parts from there. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.